Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Bigtime, or hashtag Bigtime. We've been watching the charts closely, and we've got a bullish wedge structure forming right now. This is a very positive technical sign, especially when we see the key support holding so well at $4,900. The price is currently consolidating in a very neutral area between 4,950 and 5,300. While the main trend is still bearish on the daily time frame, I'm expecting to see a bullish reaction soon as this setup matures. Now is the time to stay alert for a breakout from this wedge structure because it could trigger a strong move upward. You'll want to keep an eye on our key support zone between 4,800 and 4,950. On the resistance side, we're watching 5,300, 5,650, 5,900, 6,150, 6,320, and 6,500. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.